Peter, you witnessed the Icelandic 18-year-old team, well, get a beating. This is the Finland basketball, right? Physical.
Yeah, I think the under-18 has done really well over the lapse of the tournament with lots of talent, and the coaches are doing a good job. Today Finland was stronger. They played good defense. They were up in passing lanes. They disrupted Iceland and stopped ball movement. And Finland is good at that. They have a good defensive and offensive system.
This is something you're familiar with. If we talk about the Icelandic A team, we're always struggling with more physical opponent and a bigger opponent, right?
I would say more a bigger opponent. But as always, you have to try and take disadvantages and make them to an advantage. So as long as you can beat people with penetration and with speed, you can still be in games even though you're a little bit smaller.
Now the Nordic Championship is finished and the Icelandic A team is preparing for the European Championships. Where are you right now in the preparations?
We're talking about player selections. We're going over players and how their seasons has been, and how the players outside of Iceland has performed, and we're also going through the ones that performed well domestically in Iceland, and we're looking at making a player selection for the summer.